In this video, I'll teach you how to download images from Google Docs. Super easy. It's barely inconvenience. So the problem comes when you have a bunch of images. Let's say, for example, I do websites and I request image content and the client is too lazy to put it into a Google Drive for some reason. And you need to pull the images from Google Docs. You can't just right click and hit copy and then go into your design platform and paste it. It doesn't work. You could hypothetically take a screenshot of that specific image and then upload it to Webflow, but that's inefficient when there's a lot of images. So an easy shortcut to download images from Google Docs is simply hit File on the top left, then hit Download. Then where you want to download is the actual web page HTML zipped. So once you do that, you can go ahead and open that file on your computer and it will unzip it. Then in the file, everything is neatly labeled. You'll notice there's a whole folder just called images. And then from here, you can see all the images are exported for you in a really nice way. And just keep in mind, whatever the aspect ratio of the Google Docs image is, that is what's going to be exported. So for example, if I want to make this a bigger resolution, I'll just have to simply drag this to, let's say, take full width. Obviously, if the image is blurry and doesn't populate that pixel width, it's not going to work. I've already made a tutorial in the past discussing image resolution and how to upload different file sizes. So that's a quick tutorial. This is fantastic if you want to download images on Google Docs. My name is Derek Su. Check out more of my videos right here, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.